Hello student. Today we are going to discuss on example on congruence. Now first example is that prove that the integer 53 raised to power 103 plus 103 raised to power 53 is divisible by 39. That means we have to prove that 39 is divide 53 raised to power 103 plus 103 raised to power 53. Now solution is that is we have to show that 53 raised to power 103 plus 103 raised to power 53 is congruent to 0 mod 39. Now to show 39 is equal to 3 into 13, that means 3 and 13 are relatively prime. So first number 53 is 53 congruent to 53 mod 3. So 53 can be written in this way, 51 plus 2 mod 3, and 51 is expressed in this way, 17 into 3 plus 2, that means 17 into 3 plus 2 mod 3. Now under modulo 3, 17 into 3 is 0, so this is 0 plus 2 mod 3, that means 53 congruent to mod 3. So it can be written in this way, 53 congruent minus 1 mod 3, because under modulo 3 you can write in this way, 53 congruent minus 1 mod 3. This is equation number first. Now second, 53 congruent 53 under modulo 13. So 53 is write in this way, 52 plus 1, and 52 is write in this way, 13 into 4, and under modulo 13 this is 0, that means 13 into 4 under modulo 13 is 0. So remaining is that this is 53 congruent 1 mod 13. This is equation number second. Similarly, third number 53 congruent 53 under modulo 39. So 53 is write in this way, 39 plus 14 mod 39. So here under 39, this is under modulo 39, this 39 is 0, so you can write in this way, 53 congruent 14 mod 39. This is equation number third. Now second part is for 103. For 103 you can write in this way, 103 congruent 103 mod 3. So 103 is write in this way, 102 plus 1 under modulo 3, and 102 it can be write in multiple of 3 is 3 into 24 into 1, 3 into 24 plus 1 mod 3. So this 3 into 24 under modulo 3, this is 0, so remaining is 1. So you can write in this way, 103 congruent 1 mod 3. This is equation number 4. Similarly, second, this is for modulo 3. Now for modulo 13, 103 congruent minus 1 mod 13. Similarly, third number 103 congruent 25 mod 39. This is sixth number. Now third part of this, from first, second and third, that means from first, second and third you can write first, that means 53 congruent minus 1 mod 3 is equal to, you can write in this way, 53 raised to power 102 congruent minus 1 raised to power 102 mod 3. This is for mod 3. That means 1 minus 1 raised to power 102 is 1. So you can write in this way, this is congruent to 1 mod 3. Similarly, for mod 13, from second, 53 congruent 1 mod 13. This is equation number second. So you can write in this way, 53 raised to power 102 congruent 1 raised to power 102 mod 13. So 1 raised to power 102 is 1, so you can write in this way, 1 mod 13. 3 and 13, these are relatively prime, so you can write in this way by theorem 53 raised to power 102 congruent 1 mod of 3 into 13, that means 1 into 1 by theorem. So 53 raised to power 102 congruent 1 into 1 mod 3 into 13. So you can write in this way 53 raised to power 102 is equal to 1 mod of 39 by theorem. Similarly, third number 53 congruent 14 mod of 39, that means 53 congruent 14 mod 39. Now from this you can write in this way 53 raised to power 102 into 53 congruent 1 into 14 mod of 39. This is by theorem. So you can write in this way 53 raised to power 103, that means 102 plus 1, 103 congruent, that means 53 raised to power 103 congruent 14 mod of 39. This is equation number A. Similarly, fourth part of this example is that 103 raised to power 52 is congruent to 1 raised to power 52 mod of 3 and 1 raised to power 52 is equal to 1, that means this is congruent to 1 mod 3. Similarly, for 103 raised to power 52 congruent minus 1 raised to power 52 mod of 3 congruent 1 mod 13. This is by 4, 5th and 6th. Similarly, 103 raised to power 52 congruent 1 mod of 3 into 39, that means multiply this by theorem. 103 raised to power 52 congruent 1 mod of 3 into 39, this is equal to 1 into 1 mod of 39. This is by theorem. Now 6 number 103 congruent 25 mod of 39. Hence you can write in this way, that means from this and from this you can write 103 raised to power 52 into 103 raised to power 1. This is congruent to 1 into 25 mod of 39. 103 raised to power 53 congruent 25 mod of 39. This is equation number B. Now from A and B we know that 53 raised to power 103 congruent 14 mod of 39 and 103 raised to power 53 congruent 25 mod of 39. Now this imply add this you will get and apply, add these two and apply theorem, you will get 53 raised to power 103 plus 103 raised to power 53 are congruent to 14 plus 25 mod under modulo 39. That means 14 plus 25 is equal to 39 and 39 under modulo 39 is 0. So you can write in this way 53 raised to power 103 plus 103 raised to power 53 are congruent to 0 mod of under modulo 39. So that means 39 divides 53 raised to power 103 plus 103 raised to power 53. That means you can say that 53 raised to power 103 plus 103 raised to power 53 are divisible by 39. Hence this example is proved.